Okay, so today we're going to be personalizing our video on Imovie, and this is our third Imovie tutorial. And to start off, I would like to answer a question from I Am Stinge. The question is, hey, how do you change the position of the text? Well, let's open Imovie. And then I'll tell you. I'm going to make a new project. I'm going to call it Imovie tutorial. So to answer that question, first, let's make some text. Imovie tutorial. And we can personalize it by going here. We can change the font, the color, and size, which I already went over. And then, if we go to show fonts again, down here you'll see there is an alignment thing. And if I click on this, this is where it is. If I click on this, it's centered. If I click on this, it's to the side again. And if I click on that side, it's on the other side. The problem with this is that those are the only options you get. There's no free positioning, which I really don't like. That's the one thing about iMovie that I hate. Because if you're making a video and you have a background where there's multi-colors, then it would be nice to be able to position it in a place where you can see the text. And you can't always do that. But anyway, this is how you change the position, and also there's more options, like you can make it not bold, italicized or not, and you can get rid of the outline. So that's about it for positioning of the text. So I'll show you what it looks like. So now I'm going to go over some more personalizations that you can do to your movie. So let's take a clip of me talking, and you're going to add it there, and we are going to make it in slow and fast motion. So this is what it sounds like normally. I am talking, ying yang and durgan, boom shakalaka, etc., bye. Now we can put in slow motion, which is 50%, and it's pretty long, but
I am talking, ying yang and durgan, boom shakalaka, etc., bye.
So if you're looking to make funny videos with sound, this might help. And you can make it 200%, which makes it a lot shorter. And this helps if you have a presentation and you want to show a long period of time a lot faster. And again, it is funny. And you can make yourself sound like a chipmunk if you put it at around 135%. That's usually what works best, for example.
I am talking, ying yang and durgan, boom shakalaka, etc., bye.
It just depends. Sometimes 145 works better too.
I'm talking, ying yang and durgan, boom shakalaka, etc., bye.
Anyway, that's it for changing speed. And again, you just double click and then you can edit. Oh, and you can put in reverse. So now it sounds really weird. So the problem with doing all this editing is that sometimes when you upload it to YouTube, the sound cancels. And I've had that with problems in my computer. I've had that with my friends. And it's really annoying because you either say the sound's dead, you might as well stop watching, or you just have to take that part of the clip out. And people hate it. Anyways, so also more customizations are around this when you double click, and you can go to video effect, And as you can see here, we have more effects. Yeah, there's black and white, sci-fi, and since I was in not the best light quality, you can't really see what's going on. But basically, you have more effects, and they're not all the best. I'll just put on Heatwave for now. But
I am
it is
talking,
different.
Durgan. Boom shakalaka, etc., etc., bye.
And you can also customize other stuff. I don't know about this stuff. Brightness obviously changes brightness. See, now we can see, sort of. But it doesn't work the same.
Durgan. Boom shakalaka, etc., etc., bye.
This brightness doesn't work the same on normal videos. Let's put that back to what it was. And we'll put this back to that. Okay, so if we get rid of the heat wave effect, make it none. Wait. Then let's go to brightness. If we turn it up as much as we did, it doesn't always work, because see, now you can't really tell what's going on. And still you can't tell what's going on, but that's how you control the brightness. And there's more customizations that you can do here to get it how you want it. For the most part, it usually works best if you just leave it the same, because otherwise it can get all messed up. You can make it red, or you can make it teal, or get it, yeah, to teal. And here for green grain, you can make it green, or you can make it purple. And for blue, you can make it blue, or you can make it yellow-ish, anyway. Or you could change the white point and then have it be any color. Let's put it back at the white point. Oh, and the audio you can change too. Here you can make it quieter. Or you can make it a lot louder. So, as you can see, there was a difference in the audio level. And for some reason, I don't see what ducking really does. Or fade in or fade out. I haven't figured that out yet, but for the most part, audio, you just change the volume. And you can either double click on the frame or footage that you want to edit, or you can click the eye, which is the inspector right here.